to find out the VThevenin and RThevenin, we have the circuit provided like this. Let's solve it. And first thing you have to know that VThevenin is equal to V open circuit. In this case, V1 is the V open circuit, so this is V equal to VOC. If you find V1, that's going to be the VThevenin. Okay. Now let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you can see this circuit, we have 100 voltage provided, and here we have minus plus. So minus, if the minus here, then in the minus side we are going to have the voltage here is V1, right? So this is V1 minus 100. So the voltage right here is going to be V1 minus 100. Okay. And also you can see this is open circuit. So this current for going 0.01 current going must be going this way, because this is open circuit. There's no current flow in this one. So from this one we can actually write an equation in terms of Ohm's law. Ohm's law says that voltage is equal to current times the resistance, and we know the voltage, that is V1 minus 100, and if the current is flowing this direction, this is V1 minus 100, and this is the reference voltage, this is 0. So V1 minus 100 minus 0 divided V is equal to I times R. I is this one, 0.01 V1. This is the voltage dependent current source. So current is this one, and then times R, that is 20K. Okay, let's try to simplify this one. So to get rid of this decimal points, I can multiply everything by 100. If you do that, this is going to be 100. Or instead of doing that, I can, here we have a K. K mean what? 1000, right? So if I do that 1000, I don't need to multiply by 100. 20,000. If you multiply this 0.01 by 20,000, 20 gone, but we still have 2 zeros. 200 times 1, that's 200 V1. 200 V1 is V1 minus 100. Therefore 199 V1, because if I bring this one V1 to this side, that's negative 1. So 200 minus negative 1, that's 199 V1. That's equal to negative 100. Therefore V1 is going to be negative 100 divided by 199. Therefore we get V1 to be equal to negative 0.5025. You can also express this one as a millivoltage, like negative 5 or 3 millivoltage approximately. Okay, so this is our V1. This is a VThevenin. VThevenin is V1, and now we solved one of this. We found out the VThevenin. Now we want to find out the RThevenin as well. To find out the RThevenin, the equation is RThevenin is equal to VOC divided by I short circuit. Okay, so we know the VOC. We just found out the VOC, right? That's right here. That is right here, negative 503 millivoltage. But I have to find out the ISC, that's short circuit current. To find out the ISC, what I do, we can bring this circuit and do a short circuit with this. Okay, let's do that. I'm going to copy this circuit and edit it in the next page. Control C. I'm going to create a new page. Okay, here we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's see, get rid of this bottom part here. Okay, we don't need all these informations. Okay, now we are looking at the circuit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the short circuit for this one. Once I short circuit, there's not going to be a voltage because this is just a wire. So the V1 is going to be 0 here. This is I short circuit. And if the V1 is 0, if the V1 is 0, this is going to be gone because this is a voltage dependent current source. And this is 0.0 V1. V1 is 0, so this current is 0. So we can redraw the circuit in a simpler way. Voltage, and this one is 20k ohm resistor, and we are interested in finding out the short circuit current, that is ISC. And from this one you can see this is straightforward because we have the voltage and the resistance. We can use Ohm's law. V is equal to V is equal to I times R. I is equal to V divided by R. V divided by R, in this case V is 100 divided by the resistance, that is 20k, and if you do that we are going to get 0.005, that is equivalent to 5 milliampere. That is the ISC. Okay, now we have the I short circuit, and then we have the VOC as well. VOC is negative 503, and ISC we just calculated that it to be 5 milliampere. So let's find out the R Thevenin. R Thevenin is what we are trying to find. That is equal to V Thevenin divided by, what's the equation? VOC divided by ISC. V Thevenin or VOC, you can put both of them because they have same value. VOC divided by ISC. Let's put the VOC. VOC we calculated negative 503 milliwatts. Negative 503 milliwatts, and the ISC we calculated 5 milliampere. And if you divide this by this, you're gonna get negative 100.5 ohm. This is the R Thevenin. Now we found out both of them. Okay, we found out the V Thevenin and R Thevenin. That's the question. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.